kay Marcoleta at sa kanyang mga kapwa-akusado sa kasong plunder, kasama na rito si dating Congressman Mike Defensor. So, ayan, lumalabas ngayon si Senator Marcoleta mula sa opisina ng Clerk of Court, pero okay, hindi tayo makalapit Hindi natin alam kung katabi kasi ito.
Sa kabila dumaan yung pangako.
Kiran lang.
The Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division, composed of Associate Justice myself, Associate Justice Ronald B. Moreno, and Associate Justice Fritz Brian Anthony M. De Los Santos, issued today, July 6, 2026, warrants of arrest and hold departure order in criminal case E-SB-26-CRM-0018 for plunder against Senator Rodante Dizon Marcoleta, Michael Tan Defensor, Joseph Varias Espiritu, and Aristotel Baluyot Viray. The issuance of the warrant of arrest signifies only that after evaluating the records, the court found probable cause to believe that the accused committed the offense charged. Probable cause for the issuance of a warrant of arrest exists when the facts and circumstances would lead a reasonably discreet and prudent person to believe that an offense has been committed by the person sought to be arrested. Let me stress, yung warrant of arrest does not constitute a determination of guilt. Hindi pa guilty yan. All the accused continue to enjoy the constitutional presumption of innocence until their guilt is proven beyond reasonable doubt. Again, the court's proceedings are governed solely by the Constitution, the applicable laws, and the evidence properly presented before it. The court would want to remind the counsel who have appeared for the accused, and even Senator Rodante Marcoleta, who himself is a lawyer, that as officers of the court, they are duty-bound, together with the prosecutors, to uphold the integrity and administration of justice, to ensure compliance with lawful orders of the court, to conduct themselves and all persons acting under their direction with fairness, order, dignity, and full respect for the rule of law and the courts.